What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you the final episode of the Paxton Novi 2200 series here on the channel. And I just want to thank you so much for tuning back in. As you can see, we got this thing running. And what are we doing today?
Tuning it.
Getting our first data log?
Yes, sir. Going
through Lund, right?
Yes,
Lund Racing on this car. And man, just take a listen to that. Woo, she sounds so good. Kind of missing a bumper and a hood at the moment, but we're doing some data logging just to double check before we throw everything back
sure
on.
Nothing falls off, nothing like...
I actually have the computer and stuff in the garage right now. I'm gonna go ahead and grab, but I'm excited for him, man. This is the last and final step to this car pretty much, other than like long tube headers and stuff, but he's like in the same boat with me. He doesn't think he's gonna end up running them. Sounds so sick, good God. I haven't been in this car in quite some, ooh, why is it so warm in here?
I got the heat button.
Oh, hoo, hoo, hoo. All right, hold up. So let's turn this down just so they don't pick that up. And let's set up our little contraption. So I do have the config file already. So let me see here. Bro, it is like 80 degrees out today.
I know, you have
crazy?
You have to turn it on to, what's it called?
Oh, whatever.
So the thermostat opens up.
Sorry that Teddy has all this jingly jangly stuff going on here.
Damn! I can hear that bitch whining from the shop.
It's this guy.
Fuck yeah. You look like the true, like, Mopar owner right now.
Oh, he is the Mopar owner.
I'm gonna do it all in one day.
Hey, you won't do a dig.
Huh?
You won't do a dig right now. Can we get the good old brake action on
She's
camera?
ready now.
Can we get the brake action on camera? Alright, let's try to focus here. Freaking Tyler. Alright, let me open this up real quick. Is this
Damn, you put the camera away. I was about to say some slick shit, bro.
What?
It ain't funny now.
What are you gonna say?
No.
It might still be rolling.
No, I'm done. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Daddy DBP, Teddy Bundy.
Teddy Bundy. Teddy Bundy.
Got Dev.
Can we see that mohawk?
It's the mullet, baby. We got the mullet. We go do some work, unlike you guys.
Dude, get the Yo, he honestly gets paid to do this. Are you kidding me?
And he lives here. He doesn't have to go for it.
Alright. Let's see what we got here. It says database update available. We're not gonna update. We're just gonna go to communication, make sure his device is reading and connected, which it should be. And well, bam, there she is. Now we're gonna go to load config file. Bang. And bang. All right, so what is our first data log we have to do? We have to go somewhere kind of secluded and do revving, right? Like constant revs.
Yeah, so take first gear out to 25.
You hold it at 15, 25, then 35, right? For like 30 seconds each or something, 15 seconds each. Teddy obviously has no idea what he's doing.
No idea. Okay, yep.
Was that right?
Idle log for 3 to 5 minutes, then rev to 1500, hold for 15 to 10 seconds, then 2500, then 3500. Then keep the engine running, proceed to drive it in second gear and third gear.
Then let it idle.
Yeah.
At the end.
Didn't say let.
No? Okay.
It says keep it running, proceed to drive it in second or third gear, do a couple slow RPMs from 25 to 5,000. Do not go WOT.
So go WOT is what he's saying.
Do not get into boost.
Dude, what do you mean you can't hear it? It's because you had your windows up, you artard. These noises are so intoxicating. Listen.
That's at 25.
Bro, that's not even right. That is not fair whatsoever. Just to reiterate, we have to let it idle for about 3 to 5 minutes first, right? All right, so we're gonna start this log. Bang. Shouldn't stay plugged in. So we're gonna let this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Time lapse starting now. So 1500 RPM, 15 seconds. hold it there as still as possible. Let's keep it going since we just keep it going. And 25. All right, hold it still. Keep it going.
35 is gonna be okay.
And do 35. You hit the windows. That should be good. Now just continue to drive now, normally. These mamma jammas back down. Let's hear that whistling. Whistling, what'd you call it in that one video? Whistling, distling?
Whistling, whistling.
And now you have to hit second and third gear gradual pulls, or climbs, let's call them.
25 to 5.
25 to 5. Everything all right?
It didn't let me go.
To 5?
Something's wrong.
All right, cut it. Let me save this log. What I experienced just now, and I didn't want to say anything, but it felt like the car wasn't getting proper airflow.
Went to limp.
Yeah, that's what it felt like. It felt like it wasn't, like, you know, picking up at all, if that makes any sense. See, just let it idle for a minute. Did it just cut off, or did you cut it off?
It says random multiple cylinder misfire detected. Cylinder 3 misfire. Cylinder 5 misfire.
And would you guys gap those plugs to?
26? 0.26?
It's like it's gasping for air or something. So nothing too urgent, guys. We just had a clamp just come off, so that's good news. We're gonna put the coupler back on, drive it slow back to the house. That's the thing about these clamps, man. I still don't understand why supercharger companies just don't send the good clamps. These ones are trash. What do they call these? Warm clamps? Junk. Man, you need to fucking go to the gym and start tightening these bolts down tighter, Teddy. All right, give her a start, see if she'll... There we go. All right, just drive it dumb slow to my house. Get a clamp on this thing. Whew. That'll get your nerves going, huh? We're gonna throw that clamp on, then go back out to capture that second half of the day log. So we went ahead and tightened that new, well, put a new clamp on. That's the one that popped off. So should be good to go now, and we're gonna go attempt this again. Round 2, I think we're good to go now. Everything seems to be back in line. So we did bring some extra clamps, some extra tools, just in case this does happen again. Thankfully, it's not that hard. All you have to do is put the, oh my storage. Did you see all that shit in that garage? With this next log, we have to do a 2,500 RPM climb to 5,000 RPM without getting into boost. That means mashing the gas. And then a 3,500 to 5. And then we have to send those 2 logs. We get our next one. See that guy break his neck? All right, 25 to 5,000 gradual climb, second gear.
Hopefully that light fits it.
All right, I'm seeming good. Let's go up here, hit a U-turn, throw it in third gear, and do the same thing. That's okay. That's gonna be, just drive around a little bit. Let's record you normal driving now, because he's gonna want to see that as well. Overall, it feels super good, very healthy. As far as the installation and that whole process, it's safe to say that everything is definitely getting checked off the list as we keep driving this car. Really nothing to concern of, honestly. This tune fully dialed in, it is a lot more poppy. Oh my god. Should we flame him on video? What? Alex, you know, he's tuning your car. He threw a popcorn tune on here. We gotta flame him a little bit. What's up with that ricer stuff, man? We're gonna stop and get that, you know, that good Shell Premium before we do these watts. First round of data logging was a success. Now it's just a waiting game to get the revised tune, and then we go back out. Cause some more disturbance. So it's actually pretty quick. Alex got back to us with revision 1, loading that up right now. And this man over here is a little nervous because he said go WOT. So what was it? 35 to 65
to 68.50.
Oh, 68.50. Okay, so almost 7. Then he's gonna tell you to go 75, I bet. Like when he's finally done. All right, go load this up. Go, go, go. We are about to do 3rd gear, 3,500. How's it feel? Feel good?
Hell yeah.
You happy? That was the first, yeah. Oh yeah. That was the first initial. Give him another one if you want.
Something's wrong.
Huh?
I don't have any problem.
Oh no. All right, I'm stopping it. It just died? By itself? Oh no. What the fuck? Alright, something happened. The pull felt strong, but he said the car just cut off. Don't know what that's about. Hey, see if you can prime it. Prime it real quick. No, I mean, sorry, with the key. Prime the fuel pump. I want to see.
It's not on.
It's not cutting on.
That's why it died. It died to save itself.
There was no fuel. So we have 2 state troopers over there, and we're trying to get Joel to get here quick because I have a feeling they're gonna ride over here and stop. And no bumper, no hood, like 20% tint. He has a freaking slick on the rear.
Fucking turbo.
Turbo, yeah, turbo. Wow, he actually passed. There's our ride. Joel to the rescue in the V6. Dang, Joel.
Already got a rescue him.
Yeah, liking the new whip, man. Got rid of old Electra, huh?
Yep.
You grabbed the green one, right?
There is no green.
All right, moment of truth. Let me see that old one real quick. I haven't showed him yet. Oh, it's over there. So a fuse definitely did blow for the fuel pump. Hey, prime it a couple times. Uh-oh. Hey! There we go. Joel to the rescue. Oh yeah, there's the old one.
Yeah.
You can see the center. Well, you might not be able to see it, but the center's completely blown, but.
All right, don't blow it before you get back to the house.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Hope you find your dad. You seem sketched still.
What?
You
No.
good? Are you done crying or what? I didn't film him. He was almost in tears, literally.
It's so fast it lost his hood.
And the bumper.
And the, oh, fuck.
All right, revision number 2. This is a full WOT, 7,500 RPM. Had a little hiccup. What? Was there a cop? It just blew a fuse? Are you serious? All right, there it is, guys. Finished product. Got Teddy's 2011 Mustang GT, Paxton charged, all finished up. As you saw, we did the data logging, we did the install. Everything is done, man. How you liking it?
Is done. Just waiting on a grill to come in. I know it looks kind of funky right now, but it's all right. Trust the process. But everything is good. Everything feels amazing. Lund did a great job tuning it. It just feels really solid. Definitely puts you back in your chair. Definitely already itching for more power. So we'll see how it goes later on.
Well, there you have it, guys. That is going to go ahead and conclude this whole Paxton series. As you guys know, throughout the week, it's been kind of slow with content because I wanted to post all these videos in a row so you could just bounce to one to the other to the next one and so on and so forth. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was pretty detailed, if you ask me. You saw a lot of, like, you know, the motor getting torn down for the oil pump gears. You saw, you know, oil pump gears going back in, the motor timing cover going back on, and, you know, essentially just the blower install itself with the data logging. So everything seemed to go pretty good. The kit's pretty simple. You know, take a couple buddies if you plan on getting this kit and just knock it out and go step by step, and you should have no problem with it. Thank you all so much for watching. We will catch you Monday for a fresh video. We're back on track starting next week. We're going to Texas 2K. Unfortunately, the car isn't going. Jake's car is not going. Brandon's car is not going. And we're going to talk more about that once we get to Texas. It was just, it's been a mess, man. It has been a mess. But we're going to make the best of it. And we're going to fly to Texas Monday as well. So, I mean, I'll have a video for you and all. But expect some Texas footage. I got some footage I'm sitting on right now. Especially, you know, Lucifer's twin disc. It feels great. So, shout out to you, Vengeance, and whatnot. So, be sure to drop a like on this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. But until next time, we'll see you later.